Hey everyone, today I'm going to review this retractable portable clothesline. I purchased this item because I needed a clothesline to take away on holidays and in particular cruise ships. After using this clothesline for a few trips, I have some great insights to share. I like to use this for hanging wet clothes, swimsuits and towels while travelling. It's also perfect for those times when you don't have access to a dryer or want to avoid the high cost of hotel or cruise ship laundry services. Some of the features of this retractable portable clothesline includes, as you can see, it comes with 12 colourful clothespins and 13 anti-skid clips. If I zoom in here, you'll see them there. So that's the anti-skid clips here, and these are the clothespins. So with these anti-skid clips, these prevent the clothes from bunching up from one side, and even in windy conditions are actually quite sturdy. You can't move it, you've got to press the button like so to move it across. And this stretchy black rope can extend up to about 10 to 12 feet. This clothesline is made from heavy duty materials and has strong stainless steel hooks on both of the ends, so you can attach it to places where they'll hook up to. It can be used for indoors or outdoors, making it perfect for balconies, bathrooms, backyards and even camping trips. The anti-slip design and strong clamping forms ensure that your clothes stay securely in place. This clothesline is lightweight and easy to carry. It comes with a carry bag as well, making it ideal for RVs, camping and travel trailers. So far my experience has been very positive. These metal hooks can hold securely on various surfaces and it attaches itself too. And the retractable feature makes it easy to pack away into the convenient bag they supply you with. It has been a reliable and practical tool on my travels, providing a convenient solution for drying clothes. If you're a frequent traveller like me or planning a trip, I highly recommend this retractable portable clothesline. It's affordable, durable and extremely convenient, making it a must-have travel accessory.